Oh, this is gonna be a good one. This is your sign to start making your own smash burgers at home. First, get a bit of oil in a pan, and we're gonna make some quick caramelized onions. Cook them on medium heat with a pinch of salt, saute until golden. Then add a teensy splash of balsamic vinegar. This takes your onions to the next level. That's it for the onions. Set them aside. Next up, we'll make our burger sauce. Not really gonna measure here, but the base is 3 tablespoons of mayo, followed by ketchup, yellow mustard, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, and hit it with some hot sauce as well. Lastly, a small amount of crushed garlic, about 1 regular-sized clove. Mix that in till it's a nice light orange. Moving on to the patties, I'm using ground chuck, the best meat you could use for burgers in my opinion. We're going to cut some parchment paper to form our patties on. Make 2 equal-sized balls and get them on the paper. Then with a broad spatula, evenly press the chuck into thin patties. Just like this. I like to form the patties beforehand because if you smash them on the pan, then you lose a bunch of the juice. And where's the fun in that? Salt and pepper on the top of each burger. In our onion pan, we'll add a touch more oil. And place in the patties seasoned side down. Make sure your pan is hot. Then salt and pepper this side as well. While they sear, butter the inside of a brioche bun and place it in a pan to toast. These patties are thin, so they don't really need long to cook. We just want to quickly sear them. As soon as you flip, place a slice of cheese on each patty. I'm using medium cheddar here. Once the cheese is melty, you can stack the patties and remove them so they don't overcook. Now, 2 teaspoons of our sauce spread evenly on each bun. Make a bed of lettuce on the bottom, tomato on the lettuce. Then patties on top, caramelized onions. Followed by pickles and topped with our lovely brioche. You don't have to build your burger like this if you don't want. The patty empire is yours to command. I'm gonna cut this so you can see how amazing it is. So juicy, it's driving me crazy. A smash burger you can make at home that competes with the best of them. I really hope you try this because it's going to change the game for you.